the well-known vlogger here in LA, Mr. Van Dam Vlog, to give us a special number.
Yo, patalastas muna tayo bago tayo mag-proceed sa susunod na kabanata. Good evening sa inyo lahat. Kamusta dyan sa mga sa likod? Ayos ba tayo dyan? Siyempre, yung mga nasa harap, kamusta kayo dyan? Si Van Dam Vlog nga pala to. Ang pinakamakulit at pinakamaingay. Dito lang yan. So far, 13.
Here without you?
Yun, nag-shout niya pala kay Pops Piden. Just click here to subscribe. Days made me older since the last time that I saw your pretty face. Thousand lives made me older, and I don't think I can look at this the same. And all the miles that separate disappear now when I'm dreaming of your face. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still on my lonely mind. I think about you, baby, and I dream about you all the time. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still with me in my dreams. Tonight, it's only you and me. Miles just keep rolling as the people need to wait to say hello. Our brother's life is overrated, but I hope that it gets better as we go. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm here without you, baby, but you still know my lonely mind. Think about you, baby, and my dreams about you all the time. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still with me in my dreams. Tonight, girl, it's only you and me. Everything I know, and everywhere I go, with this heart, but it will take away my love. When the last one falls, when it's so sad and dark, with this heart, but it will take away my love. I'm here without you, baby, but you still on my lonely mind. Think about you, baby, and I dream about you all the time. Here without you, baby, but you still with me in my dreams. Tonight, girl, it's only you and me. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah! Woo! Thank you so much!
Maraming salamat, Mr. Van Dam Vlog. Pag-support po ang kanyang channel, YouTube, Facebook,
lang.
Instagram,
Yo, thank
it's
you,
Van
sir.
Dam Vlog, and Thank you very much po.